I'm Martin and I'm a student. My grandma told me that she wants me to make a leveled garden bed for her garden. Well, since I'm not a gardener myself, I thought of the most efficient and easy way to do it. For this purpose, I chose this plastical construction kit, which looks a little bit like Lego and is also constructed the same way. It's made out of recycled plastic, so it can last up to 20 years, and unlike some, for example, wooden constructions, you don't have to take care of it for at least another 20 years. And also, because it's tested the same way as toys for kids, you don't have to be afraid because it's very safe. The hardest part about all of this was making the ground level so the soil is flat and the construction can be put on it. Once you've done this, you're good to go. It's important to put a net against rodents to the very bottom. And now comes the fun part. You have to think of a shape of your choice. Since my grandma wanted a rectangle, we're making a rectangle. So now we have the shape, and what we will do now is that we will fix every cube with a plastic needle so that the construction doesn't move. So now we have the shape, we have it fixed, and now comes the fun part number 2. We will install those cubes on top of each other, and those cubes have those little click-clacks that manage to keep the construction together so it doesn't move. So as you can see, it was really easy. I'm not sweating at all, and thanks to the click-clacks, it was such an easy job. So as you can see, the garden bed is built, and now it's time to fill it in. Keep in mind that you have to put at least a few layers inside. And what layers? I'm gonna show you. So the first layer consists of wooden branches and wooden drainage layer in order to release excess water. For another layer, we can use a biological waste right from our garden. So another layer will be compost. For another layer, we can use the dirt we dug out when we were lowering the base. So the last layer will be gardening substrate, with just all the nutrients for your plants to grow. So as you can see, the gardening bed is ready, and we can plant basically whatever we want in. And if you have a few cubes left, you don't have to worry because they can easily work as a chest. All you need is to put these in those little boxes. Take a little bit of the dirt and you can plant in, for example, a flower. So you don't want the water to go through the cubes, and in order to do that, you put these little stones inside, like this. And if you want to, you can plant anything, even in those cubes on the edge. So as for now, we are finished, and I think that my grandma will be very happy. A few weeks ago, I built this level gardening bed for my grandma, and as you can see, it's going great. The plants are growing really nicely, and my grandma is really happy. But she told me, you know, go and plant some more, and that's what we're gonna do today. So what I did is I put some stones in the cases so that the dirt doesn't go away. And now we're gonna take some dirt and we're gonna plant in some easy and fast growing plants such as spinach or radish. Let's go. So now the cases are almost full and we're gonna plant in some seeds. You can use whatever seed you want. I have chosen spinach because it's tasty, it's healthy, and most of all, Popeye the Sailor liked it. So let's plant it in.